What's going on, Black Dragonrider fans? How you guys doing? It is Thursday morning. I'm off to work, obviously. Many will be riding at this time. Oh man, I am so tired. So tired. Went to bed early, but it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. But anyway, I'm going to be talking about security on your motorcycle. As we all know that there are loads of bike thieves is going out there and stealing motorcycles, from mopeds to supermotos and all that malarkey. And we need to protect our pride and joy. We have to protect it as much as we can by buying disc locks, chains or alarms. And we can buy a good decent alarm for our motorcycle. An alarm will tell us if someone has been tampering with our pride and joy. Disc locks will stop them from moving it, and chains, we can just tie it around an object and they can't really move it. Obviously the disc lock will stop them from stealing a bike by pushing it, but it won't stop them from lifting it up. But if you've got chains, then chains will just stop them from lifting it up. Ah, what a beautiful morning. This is what I like. A beautiful morning, sun, and going to work. Also, as well, it's a bit chilly as well. So I know for a fact I'm going to be cold when I get into work. Yeah. So chains will stop them from picking up the bike. Disc lock would stopping them from pushing the bike. An alarm will let you alert if someone is touching the bike or moving it, whatever. But it's always best to have these things. And yes, they can cut through chains, and there are chains out there that are expensive, that will cost you a lot of money, and it will take 5 minutes to cut a really good decent chain. Disc locks, I can't remember how long it will take to cut through them, but I know you can buy yourself disc lock alarms as well. But still, it's always good to have all these things. And yes, it is expensive to buy these locks for your bike, and I will encourage you to go out and buy yourself a lock. Get yourself a heavy duty chain, get yourself a disc lock, and get yourself an alarm, or get yourself an alarm or alarm disc lock. Either way, it's totally up to you. It's best to go out and invest. If you don't invest, then chances that your private joy might get stolen, and you don't want that. Because right now the crimes of bike thefts is rising, and it's getting ridiculous to an extent where that you don't know that when you go to work, leave your bike without protection for the bike, chains or disc locks, whatever, you don't know that it's gonna be there or not. You don't know if it's going to be there. Oh man, it's really chilly. I should have brought a jumper. If it's chilly like this, chances it might be. Yes guys, so go and invest some alarms and some other stuff as well, because you don't want your bike to get stolen. Your bike is your only transport, and also transport, commuting, meeting friends and meeting new people and go to new places that you've probably never heard of. Anyway guys, I'm gonna get off, so I'll speak to you later. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, give a thumbs up to this video, press the thumbs up button, If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down on the thumbs down button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come